Hello guys. Today we'll discuss about mobile automation or mobile automation tools for mobile testing. So I'm giving you overview means. So these are the tools we are going to work. We can do automation. So I have used for the Catalan Studio. So I have little bit experience with the Catalan Studio and RPM. So I'm sharing with you guys along with these tools. So we can have other tools in the market. So which and all is helpful for the mobile automation testing tools. Mobile automation testing tools. Okay. So Catalan Studio, Appium, Robot Framework, Xamarin, iOS driver, Selendroid, Expresso, Robotium. See Catalan Studio, Appium, Robot Framework, Xamarin, iOS driver, Selendroid, Expresso, Robotium. So these many tools in the current market we can go with the mobile automation. So these tools we can use for the mobile automation. I hope this information is very helpful guys. Thank you.